Hi team, I will present to you the justifications for my design choices in the infographic we need. I used alignment throughout my infographic. Alignment refers to the arrangement of different design elements in various positions. I did this by using these lines to fit these designs in the space of their own by separating them from the other data. I also used alignment to fit the titles with their statistic. These lines are also a good example of proximity, which is grouping similar elements together to show the audience which designs go with what data. I also use proximity here with these icons. This is also a good example of similarity and anomaly, which is when the same icon is used but altered to show the similarities and differences related to the given data. I use these by changing the color in the icons to relate to the data. I also use this design concept in the global chart to point out what parts of the world that are dominated by social media versus those that are not. I also use closure, which is the tendency to perceive segmented visual elements as a complete whole object, even when we're missing information. Here's an example of the outlined icons I used to achieve this. Another principle I used was color harmony, so that the view would not be confused for the audience. I used the black background and contrast color scheme with neon light colors to draw attention to the data. Lastly, I used visual hierarchy, which is used to show the importance of the contents by manipulating the size, style, and shape. This principle was used in these numbers and in the title to draw attention to the most important information first. I did this by making the font a bigger size and also using different fonts. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions about my design, please let me know.